Create Emily in Paris's signature curls with me using clip hair clipping extensions. As I have a blunt bob, I sectioned the bottom part of my hair, created little pigtails, braided them and clipped them up. This will of course help the extensions to blend into my natural hair better. I then clipped in the extension piece with 4 clips at the back of my head, sectioned the hair again and clipped in the next 4 clip piece. Next, I focused on the front of my hair, sectioning and clipping in the 3 clip piece. I did this on the other side, then sectioned once again and added in the 2 clip piece, and then finally the remaining 1 clip piece. Now onto the styling. I used a medium-sized barrel wand. I sectioned my hair into 2 and took medium-sized sections of hair, curling away from the face. I then held the curl in place until it cooled. Then curled the rest of this section, making sure the curls were all curled the same way. Again onto the next side, always curling away from my face. When this bottom section was done, I then started on the top in the same way, curling away from the face and cooling in my hand. When all of my hair had been curled, I used a clip hair wave comb to slightly brush out the curls and give a softer look. Here we have the final look, and honestly, I love it.